Alright guys, we have a pretty big box from Slusny. It should contain a CLYW Sasquatch, a CLYW Bonfire, 2 CLYW Orcas, some trifecta ball bearings, strings and pads. So we're pretty excited to open it and see what's inside. Oh, and a Yo-Yo Factory bag, forgot to mention that. One of the Orcas, this is the Harrison Hurricane one. Another one of the Orcas, this is the Jackrabbit. We have a Sasquatch in Jackrabbit, a green Bonfire, 100 kitty strings, some pads, stickers, and trifecta ball bearings. Should we take a look at the areas? Start off with Sasquatch, Jackrabbit Sasquatch. Comes with a fat kitty string and a CLYW sticker. That's neat. Bonfire in solid green, which comes with fat kitty string, a pin, which is also neat. Harrison Hurricane Orca, which comes with a pin of the owner of CLYW, Chris McCullen. That's neat. And again, fat kitty string. And the Jackrabbit Orca, which first of all looks beautiful. Second of all, comes with a pin of Chris McCullen, the owner of CLYW, and a fat kitty string. And that was pretty much our little unboxing. We got 5 trifecta ball bearings, 100 normal polyester kitty strings, pack of 8 Yo-Yo Factory pads, throws, a Sasquatch, 2 Orcas and a Bonfire, some strings and stickers and so. So yeah, thanks for watching.